Good evening, Professor. I will be explaining this assignment. So we are using the data set ELS 2002 and we have two questions. I will go with the first question. Conduct a logistic regression of grad school regress on writing plus SCSQ. So we are using the logistic regression. I have taken the dependent variable as grad school and method we have taken as enter and we have taken the covariates to be writing an SCSQ. So in the question number one, our goal is to see if the writing score and the socio-economic quarters predict the likelihood of attending the graduate schools. So, okay. So the model was significantly significant. We got it as 10247 and 10247. And we got the p-value to be less than 0.001. So explained approximately 25.9% of the variance in grad school attendance. So the writing score were a significant predictor where P was less than 0.001. The odd ratio of 2.07171 uh, indicates that like for every 1 unit increase in writing score, a student is about 2.1 times more likely to attend a graduate school, holding the SES constant. Also, the socioeconomic status was also a significant predictor with a p-value less than 0.001 with an odd ratio of 1.940. We see that as students move up by one SES quartile, their odds of attending the graduate school nearly doubles. So that's the result we got for the question number one. Now I will go with the question number two. So question number two, we'll also use the logistic regression with dependent variable to be grad school and method same as enter. And covariates we have taken as SCS, factors we have taken as race. And for the models we have taken as SC and race together to be SCS race. So for the second model, look at whether the impact of SCS on graduate school attendance differ across racial group by including an interaction term like SCS into race. So main effect, both SCS and race of a significant individual predictor with p-value less than 0.001. For example, if higher SCS generally increases the odds of the attendance. So, like for the interaction one, the key findings we got, like the interaction term was specifically significant for the white student. Like we got the p-value to be less than 0.001 and with odds of 1.913. This suggests that the positive effect of SES on the likelihood of going to grad school is significantly stronger for the white student compared to the reference group Asian student. So if we consider the non-significant interaction, so like the interaction of the black with p-value of 0.77 p-value 0.777. You can see here for the black, we got the p-value to be 0.777. And the hepatic like p equal to 0.700, this one, like this one, 0.700 students were not statistically significant. Like this indicate that for these groups, the relation between SCS and the graduate school attendance does not differ significantly from the reference group. So we got this result from the second question. So if I take the conclusion of this, so overall this model demonstrate that the while academic performance means the writing and the socio-economic background are strong predictor of post college success, the influence of socioeconomics can vary significantly depending on the student racial background. So that I that like we got this prediction from this model. One more thing, like you mentioned, I've used the wait, I've used the antimatter in both the question because it is the standard approach for testing a specific hypothesis where all the chosen variables are enter into the model simultaneously, allowing us to see the unique contribution of each predictor while conducting for the others. So this was the analysis I got for the assignment. Thank you.